Effects of watering on the performance of self-cleaning photocatalytic paints. My name is Gustavo Adolfo Torres, civil engineer training. The use of photocatalytic products for the surface coating of buildings is spreading more and more because of the reduction of atmospheric pollutants and the color maintenance of the paint over time with the reduction of the maintenance cost and the improvement of the aesthetic addition of titanium oxide to building materials has received considerable interest in the field of research and practical application. Experimental samples preparation. The photocatalytic paints were supplied in their three different colors: white, yellow, and red. The paints were applied by means of a projection technique on fiber-reinforced cement mortar support. Evaluation of the durability of the paints. The durability of the selected photocatalytic paints was evaluated based on the evaluation of the lifetime by comparing samples subjected to accelerated aging within a dry corrosion test cabinet, and those naturally aged by exposure in the presence of marine aerosol for 2 years. XRD analysis. Static contact angle measurement. Aging. The artificial aging cycle was performed in the dry corrosion test cabinet in order to simulate an aggressive environment with high content of sodium chloride, typical of the climatic context of the Mediterranean basin coast, such as the city of Palermo. The natural aging, a set of 4 samples per each house, was exposed to the weather conditions of the city of Palermo for 2 years. Photocatalytic activity. The photocatalytic activity of the samplers was evaluated by following the degradation of dove-propanol in a Pyrex batch reactor. Results and discussions. Color evaluation. The trend of the color difference for artificial A and natural B aged samples. Results in discussions. Color evaluation. The trend of the chroma difference of artificially aged and outdoor exposure samples. The trend of the how difference for artificially aged and outdoor exposure samples. Physical characterizations of the surface. Photocatalytic activity in accordance with the data reported in the literature. The oxidation of those 2-propanol in the presence of titanium oxide can proceed by the oxidative. Conclusions. In this study, the durability of commercial photocatalytic self-cleaning paint exposed to the environment stressing, typical of Mediterranean coastal context, was evaluated with a standardized methodology. Thank you.